Hey everybody and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how can you change your version of Minecraft, okay? So how can you do this is pretty easy. So once actually you're going to launch up Minecraft, and then once you're in Minecraft you're going to click on installations. Once you click on installation, you're going to click on a new installation, and then you're going to name installation whatever you want. I'll name it whatever you want, okay? Then once you've actually named it, now you're going to click your specified version you want, which is are all these versions you want. Now, when you're downloading a version, I would really recommend you downloading anything that has a release in. Do not download any snapshots, because snapshots are still are actually under development, so they could not be as stable as you think it is. So I would really recommend you download only releases, so release 1.16.1, 1.16, and all this kind of stuff. These are the best to actually download because they're the most stable. Now, if you want to download something like Optifine or Forge, we do actually have another video for that. So yeah, another thing you could actually want to do is just, if you want to allocate more RAM, is basically clicking on more options, and over here you can allocate whatever RAM you want. So yeah, once you've done this, let me just pick release 1.19.4 and then click create, and then I'm going to go on play, and then just click on this and then click on play. Now since I have actually 1.19.4 installed, so I'm going to be able to play. When you click on play, it's either going to download some files and then start the game, or it's going to start the game right away if you actually previously installed that version. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.